Attorney, na aming tindahan og naigo ni sa widening sa karsada, pwede ba may magpabayad? Depende kung ang yuta nga affected sa road widening is a private property or imuha ng property. Because if that is the case, you can demand payment for just compensation. Since the taking of your private property for public use, parehoan ng pag-road widening, that is considered as the exercise of the state of its inherent power of eminent domain. And under our Constitution, no private property shall be taken for public use without payment of just compensation. So pasabot na amoy katungod nga magdemand bayad sa gobyerno sa ilang pagkuha sa inyuhang private property para gamiton para sa publiko. Okay, so I hope that's clear, and that's it for Let's Talk Legal with Attorney Zai.
Hi, to get a priority response, kindly follow my Facebook page and subscribe to my YouTube channel. As proof, take a screenshot that you followed and subscribed and send it to my messenger along with your concern. Thank you.